Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Box website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice on your device, and then in the search bar simply look for Box and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Scroll down and then tap on the link saying Box. After that, you can tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen and then hit login at the bottom of your screen. Here you can either enter your email address or sign up with Google. If you do not have an account, then simply hit sign up. Either select business or individuals and teams, and then for a business it is $11.50 per year. However, for an individual it's free. You can then simply hit sign up or sign up with Google. Here you must enter your information like your full name, your business email address along with your password. Make sure that you're human and then hit get started. After that, you may have to verify your email address, for which a code will be sent to you, and then you'll be able to get your Box account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.